Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, can you all hear me? Hare Krishna. May I know who all joined?
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Rishikesh.
Hare Krishna, Rishikesh, welcome to the call. Hare Krishna, can you all introduce who else joined? Okay, tell your name, Vrinda.
Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda.
Hare Krishna, Vrinda, welcome to the call.
No, Hare Krishna, this is Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Nisya Sriyagi.
Priyanshi Hari, welcome to the call. Thank you so much for joining in. Okay.
Thank you, Mataji. Namo Vishnu Padaya.
Wait. Okay. Let's start our call, okay? By chanting the Guru Pranam mantra. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanasalakaya Chashurannitannena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Namo Om Vishnu Padaya.
Krishna Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamini Namine Namaste Saraswati Gauravani Pacharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pastata Deshatarine Jai Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaura Bhaktavinda. Vrinda, you need to wait, okay? Subhadra first will go. Wait. Subhadra, can you wait? I saw first Rishikesh join. We'll take Rishikesh, Shreya, Shriyari, and then Subhadra, okay? Rishikesh, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Rishikesh, your voice was breaking to me. Okay. Okay, Shreya and Srihari, you go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay. Next, Raghav. Go ahead, Raghav.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Miss Vajra.
Okay, Subhadra, go ahead, Subhadra.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Subhadra, and thank you, Raghav. That was so sweet. Both of you sang very well. And I heard somebody's voice. Janavi, right? Janavi, go.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Janavi. That was so nice. Who else want to go next? Okay, did everybody got chance? Vrinda, I forgot Vrinda. Okay, Vrinda, go.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Thank you, Vrinda. That was so sweet. Thank you so much. Let's move to the story, okay? Today's story is Krishna brings back the son of his teacher, okay? We saw previously how Krishna and Balaram went to the Gurukul and learned from his teacher Sandeepa Muni all the different things, right? They learned art, they learned so many things very fast, right? Now the time comes where they have to go back to Mathura, their home. Now they are leaving Gurukul, right? So now Krishna and Balaram finished studies. They just want to thank to the teacher. They just want to be grateful, thankful to the teacher. So, 1 second, I see somebody.
Why does they have one?
Okay. So they want to be very thankful to the teacher before they go home. So they want to give something very special to the teacher. So then they went to Sandeepa Muni. The teacher knows these boys are not the ordinary boys. He knows that these boys are a supreme personality of Godhead themselves, right? So then he want to ask something special. When Krishna and Balaram came and asked, what can we give you? We want to be giving you something special because you have taught us everything. So then so Sandeepa Muni was very nicely asked something very special because they are supreme personality of Godheads. So he asked, sometimes back my son was missing in the ocean. He drowned in the ocean and he died. Can you bring my son back? Because he knows that they are supreme personality of Godhead. So Krishna and Balaram definitely gets back their son. So now Krishna and Balaram went on the chariot. They sat on the chariot and then they drew to the beach and went to ask the ocean what had happened to the boy. So they called the ocean, and then you can see in the picture that the representative of the ocean came out and replying to the question of Krishna and Balaram. They are asking, where is my son, where is my teacher's son who had died in the water some time back? Then what the ocean is replying, you see, I am not sure where they are. They are not with me. So actually they said, he's not with me, but he might be with the demon named Panchajana. So then the ocean is saying that the Panchajana is a big conchal demon which stays in the deep into the water. Then Krishna and Balaram went into deep of the water and catch this demon and asked this demon, the conchal demon asked Krishna and Balaram asked to the demon, where is my teacher's son? Have you eaten him? Then they replied, no, I don't know anything about it. I did not eat your teacher's son. Oh, they now Krishna and Balaram went to the Yamaraja's place, where Yamaraja is a person, is a lord of death. Okay, Krishna blew his conch shell and called out Yamaraja, and then Yamaraja came outside. You can see the picture here how Yamaraja came outside, and then he is offering his respectful obeisances to Krishna and Balaram. Then what did Yamaraja ask? We'll see. Oh my lord, what can I do for you? Then Krishna said, what did Krishna say? Said, we know that Krishna is in search of that boy who drowned in the water, right? So then Krishna asked, Krishna said, I'm a supreme. You should immediately give me back the son of my teacher. Yamaraja was very happy and bring the boy and gave to Krishna and Balaram. So now the boy was back. So Krishna and Balaram are the supreme personality of Godhead. They can do anything. So they brought the boy back and they went back to Sandipa Muni and they gave the boy back to Sandipa Muni. And the Sandipa Muni was very happy because he saw his son back, right? He was died, but he was back now because of Krishna and Balaram's mercy, right? So then he was very happy. When our teacher is very happy, they always bless us, but they will be more happy and then they will give more blessings to us, a special blessing. So then Krishna and Balaram got a very special blessing from a teacher saying that you will always be famous all over the world. So now Krishna and Balaram will become famous for all over the world because that is the blessings they are getting from the teacher. Whatever you will say will be fresh and new and eternal teachings of the Vedic scriptures. Krishna and Balaram took these blessings from their teacher and they went back in their chariot back to the Mathura. How did they travel? They traveled very fast, faster as like a wind, and they went back to Mathura. And in Mathura, everybody were happy seeing Krishna and Balaram. So this is what Krishna and Balaram went to Gurukul, learned everything, made happy to the teacher by giving very nice gift in return and took the blessings. So this is a story. Okay, we will see what's the moral we are going to learn. Moral is we should always remain very grateful to our teacher and parent who guides us throughout our life, right? First teacher is our parents, right? Especially the mother. She is going to teach us everything. So we should always be grateful to our parents and our teachers because they are giving us everything. They are teaching us maths, English, science, social, all the subjects you learn in the pre-K. You learn drawing, maybe coloring, everything, right? You learn some crafts and so many things your teacher and math games, everything your teacher is teaching. And also we see our parents are nicely making us grow in Krishna consciousness. That is very much important, right? Then the one we get from the school is like we learn and we just get the knowledge, but the Krishna consciousness that we are getting from our parents that they are giving us is going to be remaining for us for eternal, right? So we should be very, very grateful to our parents and teachers. Are you all going to be grateful to your parents and teachers?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So today there are not more questions, only 2 questions. What did the teacher ask from Krishna and Balaram?
Where's my bring back that?
Yeah, to bring back the sun, right? And what blessings teacher gave to them?
You'll be famous.
You will be famous.
Yeah, you will be famous. Whatever you say, it will be fresh and new always, right? Yeah, very nice. Thank you, kids, for participating so nicely in story time and also in the question answer time. We will move to the Brahma Samhita. We'll welcome Anjana Gopika Mataji for teaching us Brahma Samhita. Mataji, please take over, Mataji.
Yeah, it's the Brahma Samhita. I got to
Anjana Mataji, are you there on the call?
Sorry, Mataji, I was in mute.
Oh, no problem.
Are you hearing me, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Now I can hear you, Mataji.
Okay, Hare Krishna everyone. Hare Krishna all the kids. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Okay, we will learn today this sloka from Brahma Samhita 5.47. Are you all repeating after me? Yes, Mataji. Okay, you can repeat after me, okay? Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah.
Karanan, karanarnava.
Karanam. Yeah. Karoshi.
Karanarnava.
Karanamava.
Sale,
Ale.
Jale.
Jale.
ya karanarnava jale.
Ya Karanamava Jale.
Jale.
Ya karanarnava jale.
Ya karana. Namatale.
Karanar.
Namatale.
Bhajati, bhajati sma yoga.
Bhajati samayoga. Bhajati samayoga. Ayoga.
Bhajati sma yoga.
Bhajati samayoga.
Bhajati sma yoga.
Bhajati samayoga.
Ya karanarnava jale.
That is which one?
Ya karanarnava jale.
Car Nam
Navajale.
Navajati
Bhajati sma yoga.
Bhajati samayoga.
Ya karanarnava jale.
Yakar
Bhajati, bhajati sma yoga.
Bhajati samayoga.
Next line. Nitram ananta.
Nitram Ananta
Nitram ananta jagadanda.
Nidram
Nidram
Anant
Anant
Jagad
Jagad
Nidram ananta jagadanda.
Jagadanda
Nidram ananta jagadanda.
Ananda Jagadanda
Nidram ananta jagadanda.
Nitram Nityam
Ananda Jagadanda
Saroma kupa.
Saromakupa Kupa
Saroma kupa.
Saromakupa Kupa
Saroma kupa.
Saromakupa
Saroma kupa.
Saromakupa
Ya karanarnava jale.
Jale
Bhajati, bhajati sma yoga.
Bhajati Smayoga
Yoga
Bhajati sma yoga.
Bhajati Smayoga
Nitram ananta jagadanda.
Nitram Aganda Jagadanda
Nitadanda
Nidram ananta
Anandam Yoga
jagadanda.
Jagadanda
Saroma kupa.
Saromakupa
Okay, last time I'll make you practice, and then anybody want to recite, they can go ahead. Okay, it's a 2-line only we'll learn today. 1 second, last time. Ya karana कारणर्न बदले
यह कारण नहीं चले पुनः
नवजने
भजति भजति स्म योगा
भजते स्म योगा
Okay, full line, okay? या कारणर्न बदले भजति स्म योगा
नव चले भजते स्म
योगा
निद्राम् अनंत जगदण्ड
निद्राम् अगन्ध
जगदण्डा कूपा सरोमकूपा
निद्राम् अनंत जगदण्ड सरोमकूप
अनंत जगदण्ड सरोमकूपा
Okay, kids.
और मैं क्या बोलता हूँ
It's a little hard, but you can practice at home. We have whole week to learn. Okay, anybody want to go? Okay, Janvi, come. Yeah, yeah, Karana.
या कारण
Karanarnava.
या कारण नवा
Chale.
चले
Bhajasma yoga.
भजते स्म योगा
Nitramananta jagadanda.
नित्यमंग जय योगा
Jagadanda.
सगा अन्ना
Romakupa.
करुण को
Thank you. Thank you so much, Janvi. Go ahead.
या कारण
नव चले
नवजले
भजते
भजति
स्म योगा
स्मरयोगा
निद्राम्
नित्यं
अनंत
अनंत गजंदन
जगदण्ड
जगअंध
सरोमकूपा
सरोमकूपा थैंक यू माता जी
Thank you so much. What is your name? Prabhuji, I forgot her name. I could not hear.
Ayansh
What?
Ayansh
Ayans.
Ayansh, Mataji. Very
Ayan-
shortly. Ayansh, Ayansh.
How old he, Prabhuji he is boy or girl?
He's boy. He's 4 years old, Mataji.
Oh, and very nice. Very nicely you recite. Who want to go next? Anybody want to go? Okay, kids. Okay, go ahead, Rishikesh.
यत्कारणं भजले भजति स्म योगा निद्रामनन्तं जगदन्त सरोमकूपः Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Rishikesh. You already know this sloka. I know that. Very nice, very inspiring. Thank you, kids. You can practice. We'll send the recording. You can practice, and then you will get this whole sloka within this week. Thank you, Mataji. Benita Mataji, please take over the call.
Hare Krishna, Anjana Mataji. Thank you so much for teaching us Brahma Samhita. Let's move us. Our favorite part is rhyme. We welcome Saroja Nandini Mataji by chanting very loudly Hari Bol. Okay? Hari Bol.
Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol,
Thank you. Thank you, Mataji. Hari Bol to all kids. Okay, let's learn this rhyme, which is about Srila Prabhupada and Krishna. Please repeat after me. Krishna, make me serve you.
Krishna, make me serve you.
With love, devotion, and happiness too.
With love and devotion and happiness too.
I love you, Krishna, I love you.
I love you, Krishna, I love you.
You and me are never apart.
You and me are never apart.
You're always right here in my heart.
always in my heart.
I love you, Krishna, I love you.
love you, Krishna, love you.
I didn't know that Krishna was God
I didn't know that Krishna was God.
until I met you, Srila Prabhupada.
Until I met you, Srila Prabhupada.
Let me serve you, Prabhupada, eternally. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Let's do it one more time. Krishna, make me serve you
Krishna
with love, devotion, and happiness too.
With
Love, devotion, and
happiness
happiness.
I love you, Krishna, I love you. You and me are never apart.
You and me are never apart.
You're always right here in my heart.
You're always right here in my heart.
I love you, Krishna, I love you. I didn't know that Krishna was God
Know that Krishna was God.
until I met you, Srila Prabhupada.
Until I met you,
Srila
Prabhupada.
Let me serve you, Prabhupada, eternally. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Thank you, kids, for singing so beautifully. Okay, Janvi, Shubhadra, and Ayanj. Okay, Janvi, you can go ahead first.
Krishna makes me serve you with love and
devotion.
love, devotion, and happiness too. Love you, Krishna, love you.
You and me.
You are me, are never apart. You are always in
Right here.
right here in my heart. I love you, Krishna, I love you.
I didn't know
know that you were
Krishna was a God.
Krishna was God.
I didn't.
Till I met Srila Prabhupada. I love you,
Let
Krishna.
me let me serve you, Prabhu.
Let me serve you, Prabhupada, eternally.
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Madhu.
Thank you, Janvi. That was so sweet. Anyway, who else? Shubhadra. Yeah, Shubhadra, you can go ahead first.
Krishna make me serve you with love and devotion. Happiness too. I love you, Krishna, I love you. You and me are never apart. You always right here in my heart. I love you, Krishna, I love you. I didn't know that Krishna was gone until I met Srila Prabhupada. Let me serve you, Prabhupada, eternally. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Me
Thank you,
and
Subhadra.
Mataji,
That
please.
was so sweet. Yeah, Ayansh, you can sing, and then Shreya Srihari.
Krishna make you serve you
Happiness too. With love,
with love,
devotion,
devotion,
happiness too.
and happiness too. I love you,
Krishna,
Krishna.
I love you.
I love you,
You and me
you and me, and never heart,
are never apart.
and never apart. You are always right here in my heart. I love you,
Krishna,
Krishna.
love you.
I love you.
I didn't know
I didn't know
that Shri Krishna was God
this Krishna is God
until I met
until I met
you, Srila Prabhupada.
Srila Prabhupada. Let me serve you,
Prabhupada,
Prabhupada,
eternally.
eternally. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Ayansh. Very nice. Shreya and Srihari, you can go ahead.
Krishna, make me serve you in love and devotion and happiness too. I love you, Krishna, love you. You and me are never part. You always on in right in here in my heart. I love you. I love you, Krishna, love you. I didn't know that Krishna was God until I met Srila Prabhupada. I love you, Prabhupada, I love you. Let me serve you, Prabhupada, eternally. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji. Me, Balram.
Thank you, Shreya and Srihari. Yes, Balram, please go ahead.
Krishna, make me serve you with love, devotion, and happiness too. I love you, Krishna, I love you. You and me are never apart. You're always right here in my heart. I love you, Krishna, I love you. I did not know that Krishna was God until I met you, Srila Prabhupada. Let me serve you, Prabhupada, eternally. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Balram. Very nice. Anyone else?
Vrinda voice, can you hear us, Mataji?
Yes, Vrinda, please go ahead.
Krishna, make me so happy.
Krishna, make me serve you
With love and
loud devotion and
happiness too. I love you, Krishna, love you. You are heart. You are in my heart. Love you, Krishna, love you. You are I didn't know that
Krishna.
Krishna
was God until I met
you.
Srila Prabhupada.
Let me serve you, Prabhupada, eternally. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you,
Mataji.
Okay. Yeah, Srihari, please go ahead.
Krishna, make me serve you with love and devotion and happiness too. I love you, Krishna, I love you. You and me are never apart. Always here in my heart. I love you, Krishna. I love you. I didn't know that Krishna was God. I didn't until I met you. Shriya Prabhupada. Let me serve you. Prabhupada, you Prabhupada. Eternally. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Shri Hari. That was so beautiful. Kids, we are getting late. We have another class, so we'll have to end here. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all very much for singing so beautifully.
Krishna.
Vinita Gandharva.
Hare Krishna Mata.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, he's thanking you, Mataji. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, Vinita Gandharvika Mataji, please take over the call.
Thank you, Sarojini. Thank you, Sarojini. Yes,
One chakra padadu vase ki baat nikale chakridata ananda koti vaishya ananta koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai Gopananand Mataji ki jai
Thank you.
Mataji ki jai Vinita Gandharvika Mataji ki jai Hari Bol Vinita Gandharvika Mataji.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Vinita Gandharvika, for the beautiful class.